How to copy Facebook profile link. In order to copy it, you need to head over right here to your three lines. And then on your mobile app, you can click on your actual profile right here in order to go to your profile as well. From in there, click on the three dots just beside the edit profile. Then scroll down until you can see this your profile link. So click on this copy link right here, and then this profile link will actually be saved to your actual profile, and then you can send it to people that you want to send it to. Alternatively, you can also do this on desktop or browser. Just open any browser that you have and then log into your actual Facebook account. From in there, click right here on this option, which is your gear icon or your profile icon. From in there, if you want, you can just go get this particular URL right here, then copy it. Now, this profile link right here or this URL will serve as your profile link for Facebook. So that's how you copy Facebook profile link. Hope we help.